So, and we're live here, I guess. So at least I hope we are. I'm not sure though. Are we? Are we not? Yeah, so we're live now. So, I'm not 100% sure right now though how I can, because I'm early. I'm not sure, like, because I started it earlier than I okay, it's working. Everything fine. So I've also put in some stuff here, like usually that's just like, now you guys can see it a little bit different, my screen basically. So what you see here in this area, this is my my second screen basically. So I do have here a big kind of 3-year profile, and here I have basically I do switch that up from time to time. Right now I'm running a 30-second chart here, but yeah, kind of just looking at the daily profile here. Also listening to some real good music today. I'm actually considering, like, I don't know if this works, if I can how if I can with OBS, like, also make you listen to my music in case you're interested in that. Like, I can try to figure that out, but we'll see. Just read. So. And we just pivoted here real hard, the daily, actually the weekly, that's the weekly VPOC here. So we do have the weekly profile here, and we pivoted it hard. So getting kind of dangerous here if you're long. And the thing we tested is down here, so like, I do think if we come down again, this might blow to the bottom. And we really have a lot of downside in it, so also the way it kind of like stalls around here, this does not look like a bottom, so this does look like it wants to blow lower here, to me. Yep, now we do get this blow lower basically. I do think, I guess we'll see, but right now I really do think this is going lower here. Now we see a huge bid here, and it's probably gonna just pull away. Nah, it's staying there. So we do have a big buyer sitting here. He's not pulling it. He's willing, and nobody's really hitting into him. Now they kind of cleared him. Ooh, he comes back strong. He might try to get out here. Not sure. Where are we on the free here? I do think this is coming down here. This looks more like a pullback than a bottom to me. I don't have big buying here, that's just the offer pulling away. I do think there's another leg lower in it.
Und was habt ihr gestern gegessen? Die Pizza? Ja. Hat die super ausgeschaut. Oder? Warum? Wann?
So for me, this like in a bigger picture frame here, this looks like it wants to blow out to the bottom, like towards 22 or something like this, in my opinion. But not sure.
Ich habe den Kühlschrank putzt und Wäsche gemacht und dann Flo seine Sachen ausgeräumt, weil es hat mich schon genervt, weil es ist da alles rumgestanden im Ankleidezimmer.
This is coming down hard, so I think this wants to blow out to the bottom here now.
Aber ist das die? Achso, okay.
This has more downside in it. We don't see any big buying yet. Now we had a slight bottom tick, but that's not enough here. Now we start to see some bigger buying here, but still not enough. Still looks like it wants to go. It's hanging around this low for too long here. This needs to puke another time. Yep, here we go. Like that. Now you could maybe long it off here, I guess. Think about longing it here. Trying to get a long fill here in it. Looking for around 40, but let's see if we can break here. Also okay with kind of pulling it here. Pulling it here. Good one. Kinda liked it, maybe could have held it longer here, but actually now that I kinda should have maybe held it longer, because that was now is kinda confirmation if we see there's still the big buying here and stuff like this, but I'm fine with the scalp. I'm not willing to long this yet again. I'm still thinking on the bigger picture. So that's why I didn't want to take it again or something like this, or add here, or just took the quick scalper's profit here. I mean, 32 is very interesting. Don't get me wrong and stuff like this, but I don't know. Like looking at the weekly here, I mean, 32 is a nice level. So really, don't get me wrong. But if you look here on also on a bigger time frame, we're at the low note at 32s, but the way this didn't respected it yesterday, so, and I don't know, like I don't know, like I just think I don't know, like I don't see along here, like I don't. That's why I'm just staying patient. Could be it. So like 32 is like the big level here. So because if you look at this here, this is a 3-year profile, and we do have this low note here at 32.50 on the 3-year. So it could be it. But the thing is, the way we kind of just shot through yesterday, first off, foremost, didn't like that. And also, if this would be a hard, let's say a hard bottom or a hard low, in my opinion, I would kind of like to see a stronger pivot of it and not like the price hang around here. So, I mean, on the other hand, like this is still, ooh, this line now it looks juicy. Now the FOMO is kicking in. So So this could very well be the bottom here for maybe even for the day, to be honest. Like the 32 level is such a big level because now if you look at this 3-year profile here, so this is a very low note on the 3-year. So this might be the bottom here. Yeah, I probably just missed it, but it's fine. Like, it's fine. It's fine. Feeling some FOMO here, but now we're showing a lot of strength here. Let's see the 40s now. This is it. This is really going here. But we have here in the monthly, so there's some monthly profiles. Obviously, this is just a weekly because this month is also right now just basically just a week. But staying patient here. Patience pays. So if we zoom in here a bit, we're exactly at the value area high of last month's profile and the value area low of this month's profile. So 31s, there is some resistance to be expected, and this like kind of was a top tick here. Might want to short this actually. Gonna short here, pullback to 39.75 if we get it. Let me get the fill here. Short here. Watching it closely here. It can't break 40 here for me. Like if it breaks 40, I'm wrong here. Moving my TP here. Like if this falls through here, that this has really room to go down. Like if this falls through here, like let's see if it can fall through here. Kinda needs to fall through here. If it stalls here for long, I'm out. Kinda need to see it fall. But this does look like it wants to fall. We're trading into it. So this does look like it wants to break through here. Now I just don't want to see a fast bottom tick off of it. So if this hangs here, I'm good. Like I don't want to see this. Cutting it out here. This might still be a good short here, but I'm taking it. This could reverse on me. Like just taking the scalp here. 2 points, I'm fine. That's what I was scared of, so that's why I kind of like, and I wouldn't be like, I wouldn't hold it through that, so I can just, might as well just go get out anyways. I still think this is going lower. It's going lower here. But it's fine. Like I need to stop scalping like this. So once again today, just I'm getting back into my old habit, which is not the best, I guess. This looks like it wants to fall here. So today is going great so far. I guess it's the music, so let me guys, like I try to figure out to kinda on OBS like add the music. Audio output capture. Can you tell me, chat, like can you hear the music? Yeah, nice, okay. I'm really like feeling it. Like this is going down, like I should have held it really. Nice, awesome iceberg. This is going down, I should have held this trade, like like cutting this here. Kind of. It's fine, I guess, but I mean, small profits are better than non-profits, but so we have kind of this curve here on the monthly, weekly, I don't know, monthly. So we do have this curve here. So obviously here is some resistance to be expected, but I don't know, like also we have kind of channel down here. I mean, I guess if we hold now this low note, this would kind of break higher, but oh no, like we also have the open in 10 minutes. Yeah, today is nice. Today is very nice for me. I don't know, I just think on the open .48 is high EV, yeah. Maybe. Don't know. We'll see. Like, I think we're gonna get a wild swing of the open. Yeah. I would also like to long the open, to be honest. But I'm gonna be waiting a little patiently because you guys know me and my kinda thoughts about this liquidity play but now we're getting away from it too far for this to be in play. So this does look like it wants to hold and wants to break, to be honest. And now we are, more often than not, if we have the overnight, like kinda like here, like the overnight low, pre-market low sitting close by on the open, the market very often does like to take it out and then reverse if it wants to go up. But that's like, now it's 6 points away, so I have like I'm nice, thank you. Now start moving. Okay, I don't know, like I'm gonna stop watching the correlations right now because I paid too much attention to it. I will get back into them. I want some better again, but I need to right now focus on what works for me. Like with all watching the correlations and stuff like this, my bias is too strong, and I kind of start to interpret too much into it, and way too heavy for me personally right now. There's obviously edge in it, but for me personally right now, I way too heavy. Also, I do way too heavily if I watch the correlations. Almost like it's getting more important what the other market are doing, what the actual market and trading is doing at some point. So don't know about that. So that's why I'm kind of wanna stop correlations again for a bit. I do think we need to blow out this bottom now. Like now we're at only 5 points away. So it depends really what happens right now, like in the next 2 to 3 minutes. I think if we can kind of trade around 40 on the open, then we might just fill a gap, or maybe like take out the high here. But if we're staying around here, especially if we were like breaking below 34s here, I do think they kind of want to take out. I kind of think they want to take out the overnight then. But right now it seems to be holding here. It looks very good. If you're long, it looks good. Like now even better. Like no buying is coming in and stuff like this. But it really looks good. If you're long, like I'd be confident in a long. But I'm not jumping it because like it's too much risk for me, because I need to have it too wide of a stop and no good place to get out if I'm wrong. I guess I could have longed it around here at this bottom of this range here, but Now we really start moving here. Hard rejection of 40 again. Not much big selling, so I don't know. At this point though, I think it's looking very good here. So if you're long, this looks very juicy. Let's see. It kinda needs to break 41.50 now and kinda convincingly break it. If we see another top tick here, then I'm willing to short this. I'm not willing to short it here. I'd be willing to short it if we see another top tick, maybe towards like 42.50 or so. So maybe towards here and then reject hard off of it. Then I'm willing to short this into the open. We do have 3 more minutes till the open. But we'll see. If we just hang around here, I'm not shorting this. I would need to see a top tick. Now with just 1 tick below, I kinda wanna see this pop. At this point I think it needs to pop. You could maybe even long it here, just for the pop to 42.50. Because kinda wanna be careful, but I still think we should see at least 1 pop to 42.50 here. But 2 minutes before the open is always... Yeah, probably missed the short here, but I'm fine with missing it. I'm fine with missing the short. We do see big sellers come in here, so I don't know, not this kind of low, not here is holding, but the 37.50 is holding here, I guess. But I wouldn't trust this to hold. We do have big sellers here who sold into the 37.50s, so I think this would have been a good entry to short here. But I'm okay with not taking it. Because I don't want to risk taking a short into the open if we don't see a top tick up first. So right now I really do think we're gonna blow this shit out. I see 1 minute till the open, but the thing is, it's getting interesting now in the open. The thing is, if we really want to take it down, I think now I don't trust it some more. I don't trust this down move because we didn't take out the 4150s here. I think we need to take out the 4150s first. I do think, like, I'm waiting here patiently, but I do think we need to take out the 4150s here. Like, lots of big buying before we can take it down. But we could also see them take out the bottom here. Let's see, a lot of big buying coming in here. But now the overnight low is so close. Like, it's really asking to be touched here. Bottom tick twice. Kind of on a long here.
Order filled.
Getting long here. Bringing my stop in. This needs to rip and run, or like I'm wrong anyways. Probably stops me out now.
Stop filled.
Just one tick here. Worth a shot, I guess. Shit, should have kept my stop on, like, fuck. Jesus. Nah. That's tilting. Jesus. Should have kept my risk on here. Anyways, it's fine. Like, I'm not tilting here. Chilling. Let's see what happens now if we break 4150. This is probably just gonna run now. This is just going like Jesus. I kinda regret it here. Oh. Okay, I'm just breathing a bit and chilling. I'm chilling, like, I need to chill here because, like, this is very tilting here. I think my stop loss got hit by 3150. Yeah, to the tick. Pretty low knotted area here, the 4150s obviously now. I'm kind of chilling here. I'm just chilling now a bit. So I'm already up for the day. Good still. Like I took those 2 trades pre-market. Kind of unfortunate that I kind of missed that trade now. But it's fine, I guess. Like it really is. No problem. Like no need to stress about it. It's completely fine missing this trade. The problem was I was not willing to accept my risk here in this one. Now we're coming back down, I think. But it's okay. Like I was not willing to respect my risk here for some stupid reason, I guess. So yeah. Heavy buying here. But this doesn't look like it's bottoming here. This is coming in with way too much volume. This is not a buy, this is going lower. Well, maybe, like here, maybe a bottom tick. I still think this is going lower here. I gotta be really careful here. I don't want to long this here anywhere really. No. It stalled too long around this like 38s here. Like this needs to at least blow out once to the bottom for me to long it. I kind of 1/0 here, but I'm completely rejecting it. Starting to see a bigger buying, but I do think this needs to at least. Now let's see. Now we're going down here. Okay, good. I don't know why I'm not shorting it. I'm so certain that this is going down here and I'm not shorting it because I'm just looking for a long. This is again kind of a dumb thing here from me, to be honest. But it's fine. Like it's completely fine. I'm chilling. Gotta get my emotions under control here. More important than anything else. Now this, I do like this. Now this starts to look like a bottom here. Willing to get in here at 37.25s here on a pullback. If we do get one. I do hope we get one. Kinda missed it, but 2 ticks. That's it is what it is, I guess. Now you know I don't long want, so now you don't. Watch. Maybe should have gotten in at 38 here, really. It is what it is. Once again, like it is what it is. So I'm chilling. I don't need to stress, like I don't need to take a trade. I really don't. Like I'm already good for the day. So if I take no more trade today, I'm fine. Like I'm already in profit. More than $200, so I don't even need to take another trade. Like if there is an opportunity, I will take it obviously, but if not, like I don't need to force anything here. I'm just gonna look at this stuff. Train my unconscious memory here. Just chill and look at this stuff here, really. If there's an opportunity, I'm gonna take it, but if not, like, whatever. Now this looks like a short. This looks like a good short here, but again, kinda too late here. Alright, 38.50s here was respected again, but I'm kind of thinking about shorting here. Shorting. Fill me, come on, come on. Yep.
Order filled.
Filled here. Shorting for another leg lower here. Now I don't like here the absorption. Getting out here
Order
for a
filled.
break even. That's for a break even. I think it was a good cancel here. Now I might re-enter. Ooh, that looks... Now everything has changed. This was a hard pivot here. Okay, now I'm staying on the sideline. It looks more like a long now. This looks like it wants to really break here. But I'm chilling. Like I'm chilling. I don't want to get chopped up here. This to see a range building here. It's kind of holding above here. So I maybe could get in for the break. I don't know. Oh, we top ticked it. Kind of top ticked it here, so. But I'm too lazy to like. Is this a short opportunity here? Yes, we do have the daily low note here. Might wanna short it here. Let's see. But I'm staying patient. I don't need to take a trade here. This is not look like even bad. The shot was right, but it's good. That just gives me confidence. Like I would have been right on the trade, so my feeling is good today. And I'm also proud of myself of staying out of it on the same. Also, first off, I'm proud of myself for staying out of it, and I'm proud of myself for being right on it. So, kind of two things with one, two flies with one. Bet, I guess. Now we're holding below 40. Do you guys like the music, by the way? I can turn it off as well. Just let me know. So, not fast. It's going fast here. Unsure here. When I'm unsure, I'm staying out. Like, I'm turning it off for you guys. So everybody can listen his own music. Okay, if NQ is trying, like if NQ breaks, probably S gonna follow. That's probably what just happened. I don't trust this. No, I do like it. Liking this breakout, liking. Come feel me. I like this for a break here, but kinda need to see follow through now. I guess too impatient probably. So I do still think this might go here, but I was too impatient. Yeah, now it goes. Too impatient. Simply too impatient. Yeah, I need to give it a breather. Yeah, you're right. Yeah, in general, like today, I'm in very in sync with the market. Like pretty much everything I thought was gonna happen happened. It wasn't really wrong yet, and I'm just like a little bit too impatient, I guess, and not respecting my risk. Still looks like it wants to break high here. And probably squeeze hard, so. But now I really can't enter here. Too much risk. Huge buying here. They want to take this higher. I might even. I'm very tempted to long here. I just can't pull the trigger at the highs. They're literally just taking all the selling here. Are they running this higher? I'm fine with not being in. Now we kinda got rejected here. Now I take partials. So if I would be long, I would kinda start taking partials here. I'm not brave enough to short this though. Now we're breaking higher. This was the bottom tick of this range. So. Now we're in for the breakout, I think. I do think they want to take out here this 47.50. There's probably a lot of liquidity and stop sitting above it here. So I do think they at least wanna grab it. Boom, now they took it. Now it's they're running with it. This cutting this for break even was both. Like this trade I cut for break even, like which didn't even go against me. And I guess this short was okay, but this long also. Like, need to respect my risk. Accept my risk, respect my risk. Oh, now we see bigger sellers come in for the first time, I guess. So real size selling, but it's still, it's kind of taking it fine for now. But this 54s, it's so close. Like I wouldn't really. Like I don't want to short this here. Kinda don't want to long it either. We're kind of in nowhere land. I do think we are probably consolidating here for a bit. Oh, we're just ripping, I guess. It's struggling though. This is not breaking cleanly here. This doesn't have follow through. I'm shorting this. I know it's kind of risky short here. But what is happening with my jigsaw here? I can bring my stop in here. Like something weird just happened with my jigsaw. I guess. But it's I don't know, like those two swapped, but it's fine. Now I'm respecting my stop. Okay, now I'm respecting my stop. 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 I'm respecting the stop. No, I don't like this here, like pulling it. I think it was a good pull, good trade, good pull. Like everything's fine, I guess. Like maybe could have held it a little bit longer. Like this can come down hard here as well, like it does now, but I'm fine with these 2 points. Like it's counter trend, so it's fine. I gotta fix this now here. Yeah, now it's okay again. Reason I took this trade is because on this break of this 50, okay, we didn't see big buying, we didn't see them popping follow through, we just kinda saw them getting stuck here, kinda. So the way they all got stuck here, this told me like we weren't pushing. Like the other times we broke the highs, we were pushing, and then we broke it and we just kinda stalled, didn't have any follow through, stuff like this, and so it really kind of slowed down here a lot. We're also at the clean number 50 here, so I did think we probably gonna get another flush down here, which we did. So it's fine trade, I guess. Now I'm zooming out a bit because I'm already having a lot of trades here today. I'm gonna be right back. Gotta be. I'm gonna be right back here. Oh, sorry, no sound. Now I do have sound. Sorry. So basically, what I was looking here for, I was saying is, just to explain it real quick, like we had this 44 stall here, earlier, and it just stalled so much at 44s that I was thinking, okay, this can't really break out to the top side in my opinion before it at least like bottom ticked and like grabbed the liquidity below 44 once. Okay, so then we did look like we want to go higher here, and we kind of stalled. So I took it short because I thought, okay, either way, maybe this is just gonna fall completely through the 44s, or it just gonna fall through by a tick. And yeah, we just fell through by a tick and then came back up, so I took it off. It could have also just fallen through it hard, then I would have stayed in it obviously, but since we fall through it by a tick just, so now I'm kind of thinking more like long. So right now I'm more thinking like this is ready to break to the long side, so we did grab the liquidity down there. Now I think it's ready to go higher. Don't know, obviously. Never know. Like, could be ranging as well. So we're kind of 1 hour into the session now. So volatility is slowing down. So we could be ranging here as well, but don't know. Like more long bias now, to be honest. But we could very likely kind of keep on ranging here for a bit. So the 4650 here, the weekly point of control is holding also very well. By the way, should I kind of put the music back on for you guys as well, or do you just prefer not having the music on basically, and just so everybody can listen whatever he or she wants? Ooh, now we did fall through. Yeah. This is what I was meaning earlier. Like both things could happen here at 44. We could have either just bottom ticked it like we did earlier, or just have this flush down and now really go lower. So unfortunately, like this didn't happen earlier. Yeah. Hey, it's fine. Like I'm have no problems missing the trades today. Already up good for the day. So we did already take 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 trades today. The worst a trade went against us is 3 ticks, 3 times. Here 2 ticks, 2 ticks, no tick, no tick. Like this is something to be proud of today, to be honest. And on those break-even trades, like they shot hard in my favor, and I was just impatient. Now I've switched to trader weight, so now I only have $3 in commission. That's awesome. Like previously, I was trading with the rhythmic connection from Apex, and yeah, I did, but I made a video about it, so I had to fund it against, but I traded them off stream again and blew them. So yeah, again in one trade. So I don't know, like, and then I started doubting myself altogether, anyways. But now I'm like, I'm now only trading on stream because I'm doing a lot better on stream than I'm doing off stream. So no more trading ever off stream. The problem is, I never intend to trade off stream, you know, like, this is looking juicy. I never intend to trade off stream ever. The thing is just, sometimes I'm gonna sit in front of the PC, you know, and then if I'm done trading for the day and if I call it for a day, then I'm gonna sit in front of the stream, either work on our homepage from the community, or like do some backtesting or some some scalping on the sim or anything really, some tick drilling. And then I always have the charts up, obviously. And then sometimes, like, I do think I see a setup. And then I start trading it, and then yeah. So no more of that. Like, only highly focused on trading on stream from now on. So I'm also not using trade copy right now anymore. Yeah. I'm just... Thanks, man. Thanks. Cute and funny. Ooh. Really looks like we're breaking lower here. Where could this go? Oh. So 51 to 41, 46 to... I do see this coming here to 36s, I guess. Might look for a long around 36. Jeez. This is just puking itself now. Still big selling, so no, not interested yet in a long here. Shoving hard. Don't see any big buyers yet, so I'm not interested here yet. This needs to puke another time here, I think. So I would be very careful longing this here. I mean, do whatever you want, but... No, we do see some big buying here. So maybe you want to long this now. 40 is hard though. Maybe could have longed it. Should have probably once I saw the big buyers. And let's see. 41 is interesting now. If we just blow through 41, like... this is going... God damn it, should have longed it when I saw the big buyers. This is ready for a big move now. This is ready for a big move. Lots of big buyers accumulated here. This was also just like kind of the playbook setup again here, just below this pivot here, them accumulating below it. Just taking out those stops here and then just... How big was this leg? This was 14 points. So from here, 14 points would lead us to around 60. So... No, actually also to 40. I do think this is a kind of bigger move higher now, because if you look at this pivot here at 37.50, so we just tanked straight into it, and then we had no follow through, and I wasn't aware, like I wasn't seeing this here. Like if I saw this, I might have longed earlier, and then we just absorbed here, and then once the big buyers came in, so I said it, like, and now I might long this with the big buyers. When I said that, that would have been the place to long this, honestly. And this is going high now. It could pull back. Maybe interested in a long at 41s if we do pull back to it. Like maybe 41.50 or so. But let's see. I'm unsure if we get a pullback. I don't want to like long it here because this can easily pull back to 41s here, and I'm not willing to risk 3 points on it. So I want a precise entry. So what I'm looking at is 41.50. Now I want to see price come down here to around 41.50 and maybe long it off there. Like we'll see. I'm actually gonna put a limit buy order here at 41.50. We're coming into it. This looks like it wants to hold the 42.50s here. I would love to see a puke to fill me, but it looks like it wants to hold the 42.50s here. Thinking about longing at the 42.50s, but I'm staying patient here, waiting for my fill at 41.50. Now we did get the puke. Now this is it, if you want a long, I think. So I'm still waiting patiently for my 41.50 fill. That's where I want to get in. I want to be patient, but kind of don't think we're gonna get. Nah, buy a tick. Buy a tick. Jesus. Oh, Jesus. Buy a tick. Buy a fucking tick, not. Like, didn't feel me buy a tick. So that's. Ah, jeez. Oh, god damn it. Like, that's the problem if you want those precise entries. Nah. Now 41.50 is no longer so good. So if we come back again, like this might flush. So it would be a very good entry right here where I wanted to take it long. Right now not so good. Like right now you want to long either the 43.75s here or not long at all, in my opinion. Because it now, if it comes all the way back down here again, like I no longer like this trade. But I do think this is going higher, so probably 43.75 is a good entry for a long. Now we have this huge liquidity sitting here. It should pull this trade in. So 43.75, in my opinion, still the good long entry here. I mean, not getting filled to a tick here like really sucks, but it is what it is, I guess. Oh, point of control just shifted here as well. And this is blowing out here. But I'm okay with it. I'm okay with missing this trade. Oh, god damn it. Very painful. I think this at least needs to take out 47. Like, this should at least like just take out the 47s, and then I don't know, like, it can go higher, can also fall back in, but it kind of needs at least to take out the 47s here, in my opinion. Like, now it kind of top ticked here in this micro range, but I don't want to focus too much on those micro ranges. We also have, if you look at the monthly here, would be kind of interesting place to short, like, but thing is, like, this is tempted to short here, tempted to short. Now we're at the 43.75s, which we're trading through this. This is going down. This is going down. Some buying coming in. Unsure here. Like, I don't want to take a trade right here. So the 43.75 is like kind of the place where I will look for this to hold, for the to keep the uptrend intact, and we did hold it here. Now this wants, in my opinion, this wants to break, but we're still kind of ranging here. Now we finally see big bars here. This looks like it wants to break high. The bid is strong. But we kind of have a little too less volatility, in my opinion, for my style. Because I kind of think I wouldn't be able to hold this trade for the break. That's why I'm not taking it here. But it does look like it wants to break. Like I said, at least 47s here. But I don't have the patience to hold the scalps through this low volatility here. This needs to break this at least once here, in my opinion. Now we see big buying coming in here. We see some sellers being interested here, but I just think this needs to at least top tick here. They need to grab this liquidity, no matter, like, I think like the market makers wanna at least grab this high here. They're not gonna hold this below this. No way. I mean, could be wrong, don't get me wrong, but there's a big seller sitting here, obviously, 46.50. But personally, I do think, I mean, I don't know, like, this does look like it wants to go down, don't get me wrong. But if I miss this trade, I'm okay with it. Because I do think they need to take out the 47s first. Unless they take out the 47s, I don't trust this down move. And if I miss it, so be it. Looks weak, so it does look weak, but honestly, I think there's no way the market makers do not take out the 47s first. If they really want to take it down. Obviously, they could just use this as well to just get all these people stuck and then just rally into the 50s. So I don't want to just short it off of 47. I really want to see how we interact here. But I do think we should see at least a pop of the 47s. Like, then everything is open, I guess. But unless we broke these 47s, I'm not shorting. I'm staying patient here, practicing my patience. The offer is very strong here, so there are a lot of people on the limit side, like, feeling that there are big sellers. There are. But I think they want to fill the rest of their position up here. And we'll see. Like, I'm very interested in this break now. Like, I do think it has to break. And if it does break, I'm very interested how it does. So also, if we just see more of a liquidation break, or if we just see really big buying on the break. Because if we see big buying on the break and then like reloading on the bid, this could go all the way to high of day, in my opinion, or RTH high at least, maybe high of day. But no. Looks very weak. Now I'm thinking about longing it. I do think it's gonna break now. Like this is looking like it wants to break in every shape and form to me here. I'm going for this. I'm going for this breakout now. Let's see. I do think it kinda should break here. And then I wanna see how it does on the break. I wanna see if it just rips through. Or if it like don't like this. Pulling my stop into break even. Don't want to see this come take me out here again. Like, hopefully that doesn't, but I'm not willing to risk. Now this needs to pop now, or I guess I'm wrong. So now we kind of like, how do we do on the break? Like now the 47s are breaking, in my opinion. But how? Like, let's see how they're breaking. So they are breaking now. How are they breaking? Do we see follow through here? Tempted to just hit flat here. But we see reloading on the bid, so I'm staying in this for a bit longer. I want to see big buyers come in here though. So as long as we see reloading on the bid, I'm fine with this. Moving my take profit. As long as this 47s is reloading, I'm completely fine with this trade. Yes, this is what you want to see. Like, now the big buyer stepped up. Like, now this trade is on. This trade is so on. Like, so on. This is looking so good. Like, I don't want to see it fall below 47 here. Trying to get out here. Okay, it's fine, I guess. This is fine, I guess. So this is now kind of the top tick. Good that I pulled it. Took some profits from it, obviously. Could have maybe pulled it even a little bit earlier. Yeah, I know. I really don't know what was wrong with me. I was such a bad space, and I was so tilted, and now I'm like, I don't know. I'm like way calmer again, way more collected. Like, I really don't know what happened. I was so on tilt, basically, and I was kind of just questioning everything. Like, was questioning if I should keep on trading the ES. I was even questioning if I even shouldn't keep on trading, and I was so impatient, like taking trades left and right everywhere, no edge. Not building context. Not even on my scalping building context. Just entering. Like, see a big buyer enter. Like, I don't know, like for me it really did help. So for me it was kinda the thing was I kept on. I have all the recordings of my sessions, even older ones. So prior, when I started streaming, back then I was streaming them privately on another YouTube account. So when I didn't have the Trading the Trades account there yet. Oh, now we had a hard pivot of point of control. So might still go higher. Anyways, I get kind of both. So the thing is, one guy, this might break now. One guy kind of contacted me and wrote me like, hey, I kind of feel bad for you and stuff like this because he is also a good trader. He was on FatCats Discord and he contacted me. I feel like I'm watching you or your streams since pretty much you started streaming and first posting it and just having them on like next to my trading session and stuff like this. And it's just so frustrating to see your tradings right now because you do have a good read on the order flow and how the price moves, understanding for the market, stuff like this, but you're just executing at completely awful places, over trading, stuff like this. You're not kind of trusting the stuff and all this, and I don't know, like kind of it's so sad. Like he just basically told me it's sad because he's like seeing that I'm a good trader, but I'm just trading badly, and yeah, and then I kind of also on the same day in the evening, like I rewatched some of my old footage. Yeah, I think he did, but I don't know how much really, but I think he did, but don't know really. But it really resonated with me. So I've never seen this guy trade or something like this, but it kind of like. And also, I posted on YouTube this video where I kind of said something like. Yeah, that I'm struggling right now basically, and like and so lack of discipline and stuff like this. And then some people also commented, yeah, you need to be disciplined in your life, to be disciplined in trading and all this stuff, and then I've really thought about it, and for me it's kind of like then I really had this aha moment, like because prior so early, like a couple months back, or like so like even before I started all this Trading the Trades YouTube and stuff like this, I was doing sports like professionally, and I was an athlete, and my life was extremely structured. So I had a nutritionist that had my diet plan, I had my all my meals pre-cooked, pre-prepared. I trained in the morning, and I trained twice in the evening. So I had a very structured day, training 3 times a day. Also on the weekend, stuff like this. Everything was extremely structured, extremely disciplined. My sleep, everything optimized for sports and performance. And yeah, and everything was just optimized, and disciplined, extremely disciplined. And then when I no longer did sport, I kind of now I'm not doing any sports really. I'm like getting up whenever I want, like going to bed whenever I want, eating whatever I want, mostly junk food because I never could eat junk food in the past years, so I never ate junk food. And so now I need to kind of feel like I need to catch up on all this stuff, just being lazy, just not doing sports, just eating junk food, stuff like this. And that kind of I think reflected in my trading, to be honest. Like the lack of discipline in my regular life really like kind of reflected into my trading. And then I sat down in the evening, like on my phone. Like usually I only review my trading session from the week or stuff like this. And then I kind of logged into my other YouTube account, which sometimes you do see me commenting on my other YouTube account. I'm here if I'm watching it on the other YouTube account. And on there, I privately streamed some old trading sessions for myself to just trade review. And I also have some old footage before I even started streaming it on YouTube. I have some old trading sessions also recorded on my PC, and then I kind of went and rewatched my old footage when I was trading a lot better, and I saw, like, even like you said it today, like I was a different trader. I was actually trading really, really well. And if I just the comparison, like I kind of like couldn't even recognize any similarities in my trading, really. And yeah, then I thought, really, okay, like I need to slow things down. I need to get back to getting there. Basically, I need to wait, to build context, to take it seriously, to not jump in all the time. Like trust my trades, just all the stuff that everybody talks about all the time, but I just wasn't able to do it, basically. This would have been a good long here, and it's okay. Like I'm okay missing this. I'm fine for the day, like really fine for the day. And in the end, I guess it's for the better, because now, like, I've learned a really good lesson, first and foremost. It might cost me some PA accounts, stuff like this, some Evals, but thankfully that's like why I think it's very good to. I know a lot of people disagree. I know, like, you guys all know, like, Fatcat is my mentor, and he kind of hates those prop firms and stuff like this. He thinks you should trade with your own personal account. And don't get me wrong, I also at some point want to trade my own money. How many days you had? Not even like I don't even know. I have to check. Like I think I'm like at 4 days or so. So I have no stress. Like I think like four trading days or something like this. So I really have no stress whatsoever with this account. I need to get the trading these days in anyway. And I'm also like, I got a little bit overconfident and greedy as well. So since I was doing well, I was really doing well for a long period of time. So not just a week or so, like I was doing basically very well for almost a month, like kinda. And almost a year. I was doing well for almost a year. And then I kind of thought, okay, now I want to start the streaming, I want to be cool on stream and stuff like this. And I want to like do the trade copier. I do have 5 trading days already. So this is the 6th trading day. So tomorrow I do have 7 trading days. Or by Monday, by Monday I do have the 7 trading days. So let's see if there's another opportunity today, but I'm not gonna force it. And yeah, basically just really reflecting yourself, like, don't know, like that's what really comes down to, in my opinion. And just being honest to yourself. I still think you want to push this high here. Like this is so close. Might pull back here to 47.50 first, but I think that they're gonna break this high. Maybe could have stayed in it, but hi Skoblinski. Look, I'm back in shape. I'm actually like really, I don't know, something has changed. Like yesterday I finally got my confidence back. Finally, like, don't know how. Thanks for everyone in the Discord and the community and the guys who wrote me and stuff like this. Like, really a lot of positive feedback. It's awesome. Like on Friday, last weekend I was kind of considering quitting trading, and then I got all this positive feedback, and now I'm like, I don't know, like I really do appreciate it. think we might pull back here to 47.50s or 47. Ooh, big selling here. But it's cool now with so even though like everything's fucked up and I kind of like the last couple months basically didn't get payouts and like spent some money on evaluations, especially because of the trade copier thing. I kind of blew more accounts than I should have. So that's also a reason. Like right now I want to be humble again. I'm trading just one account, no trade copier. So now we're at the 47.50s. Considering longing here. But I don't like the amount of big selling that's... I think this needs to puke one more time here. This is holding for too long. Trying to long this at 47s here. I think it needs to 46.75. I do think this needs to puke. So we did kind of... I mean, I guess... this could like... I'm thinking actually about pulling it now. I don't see any big buying. So that's kind of scary. Not sure if I want to keep this. No, okay, now I want to keep it. Now I see the 100 lot print here. Like, you could even long this here probably. So we might not get this pullback after all. Like, probably the 47.50 is the pullback we got to. But I'm waiting. Like, I do want to long this. Don't get me wrong. I want to long this for the break. But I want to long this. I want to stay patient. I want to see this break this here. Like, this is too clean of a... Too clean. Like this, if this had one wick in it, then I don't think it's breaking. But since there is no wick in it, like I think it needs to kind of wick once. Just looking at it. I like the big buying here and stuff. So I do think this is breaking... probably the high of day. Just, I don't know how far, but I think it wants to break the high of days. I like the big buying. I like the absorbing. But I think they need to take out the 47.25s here. Or the 47.50s here at least once. So now I'm approaching it again. So I want to stay patient here. I do think we should see the wick. Let me get a wick. Some selling into it. Now, what's this wick? This might be it. This might be it. This is it. Anyways, I'm staying patient. Not forcing anything here. We had too much absorption here in the 47.50s here. I think this needs to wick once. I don't know, like I do think like now it wicked to 47.25s here. Stalling here. But I want to see a wick. I don't want to see the stall into it. I want to see a wick. Give me a wick. Like, give it to me. Come on. Come on. Come on, boy. Come on. Yep. Nah. That's it. No, please. But it's... shit. Need... Yeah, this looks like it. Hate not being filled here. Don't wanna like FOMO it here though. Actually, now I'm kind of thinking about pulling it. I'm gonna leave this on. I wanna see this. Just come on, like not just wick me in. Oh, fuck's sake. Come on, please. Jesus Christ. Can you please give me this fill? Selling's picking up here. God damn it, I wanna so badly long it up here, but... No, come on, fill me, yep, in it to win it. Now I need to see this though, kinda go. This can't stall here too long. This needs to go, yep. Just like this, just it wicked me in, just like I thought it would. Now we're going. Now we're going. Can we break here 48s? Now we're going. Can we break the 48s? Giving it one more chance here. Can we break it? Like, I like this, the amount of... Like, this should at least top ticket. We have the point of control here, like an absorption here. Kind of losing confidence now. Don't like it so much anymore. Okay, this is all I give it for a pullback. Pulling my stop in here. Should have. Jeez, that's bad. Like, I should have pulled it here at 48. Really not the best execution here. So I had this hesitation. I should have pulled it here. Like, really should have. Or keep it on. But moving here to break even was kind of bad. Yeah. Yeah, very much so. Like, I should have taken it off here. Like, and either I should have taken it off or just left the trade on. Yeah, I should have probably just pulled it here, to be honest. Anyways, it is what it is. Can't always be right. And now the nice thing that I'm with TradeAway, I don't pay so much commissions, so only $3 commission, so it was still a $9 trade, which is cool, I guess. Ooh, I do like this. Ah, now we're going. And this held well earlier. Thanks, bro. Yeah, today's a good day. Can't lie about that. Volatility is good. That's just straight up awesome. Now this does look like it wants to go higher here. Nice push here. How are we getting this push here? I don't know, like guess I need to let the trades breathe a little. Now we're at this 48.50 again. Kinda this is going. This is not going. Obviously don't want to FOMO it here, but I think this is breaking. Probably going for a high of the aim. I would love to be in here with my long still, but if you look at my executions today, it's kinda, if I respect my stops, I mean, here I would have gotten stopped out probably if I played a bigger one. I mean, hindsight is always 20/20, but Fall into pieces. I mean, this could very well be a breakout here. The only danger I see in this is that we also could be starting to range here a bit. So, I mean, the buying is big, but yeah, it does look like it wants to break. And it's also again like one of those cases where it should at least top tick the 49.50s in my opinion, no matter what it does next. We have this kind of like micro range here again. This should also be bottom ticked, so both sides really kind of in nowhere land here. And I wanna stay away from these micro ranges. This is where I usually get chopped up. So I'm not trading this bullshit 1 point range here. Like I'm not staying away from those. More big buying here. I mean, it does look so juicy here. There's a big buy at the volume point of control here. But it's really not worth playing this. Like, could just top tick here, fall back in. It could just bottom tick. This macro ranges are so crap to trade. So that's why I like to have my. So I moved. If you look at my setup, so this screen here. So what you can see here, the 4000 tick chart, the DOM, and the thing on the left bottom. This is my main screen I'm looking at, and the other one is my bigger. So I have the volume profile from my bigger picture time frame screen here. No, I still didn't bottom tick this. Now I have the big 3-year profile here, and I also like put the 30-second chart away from the furthest away from my line of vision, so that I really don't look at the 30-second chart whatsoever, because that's what gets me chopped up. Like trading a 30-second chart in the current volatility of the ES is just awful. Like when volatility is good, trading a 30-second chart is awesome. Like that's where I kind of made my money. I used to make my money. But right now, if you're trading this 1 point ranges, basically, like you can't trade a 30-second chart. At least not with my style. I mean, you could just sell the bottom and the top of these ranges here, but I don't know. I think it's dangerous. Not really worth it. And you might as well trade bonds. I don't know, like, it's just not moving. Actually thinking about calling it a day here. This is just not moving. We're building this range here for a while now, so let's see. 49.50 to 38.50. So this 1 point range here is building for a good while now. For how long is this? So 10 minutes. So for 10 minutes we're stuck in a 1 point range. So the breakout of this range is probably gonna get a good move. So I wanna stick for this. Let's see. We're at the bottom of the range now. Oh. Now this looks like a bottom tick here. Kind of want to get in here. The volatility picked up here. This kind of bottom tick to me, so I do think this is breaking higher now. Let's see how far it goes. No, I don't like it so much. Trying to cutting it for a break even here. Now the volatility is coming, also that the volume is coming in now, but I don't know, like, I think it's breaking higher, but but now the thing is that it didn't go, so now we can see top tick as well when we just did. So now bottom ticked and then top tick, but we still see buying. This is breaking high. This is breaking to the upside, and now I'm no longer in it. Or not, like, this is messy. Okay, no, I'm calling it for the day. Like, I'm kind of catching myself now, being aware. Like, I really want to force this trade here, and we are in a micro range, and this is where I usually just get chopped up. So I'm just gonna call it now. That's it for the day. I don't care what happens next. Like, I'm calling it. I'm so happy with my day. I still think it's gonna break, and I'm probably gonna regret this now, but it is what it is, I guess. Yeah. Now it's breaking. But I'm no longer trading this. Like, all this look at this. They wanna, they're taking this out. Like, they're breaking this. Should have probably just respected my stop at this point as well, but guess it is what it is. Lots of volume at the highs. This is going higher. Not gonna take any more trades today. I don't have the volatility for me, but This is looking so good. If you're long, like, congratulations, boys. So it's Friday. So we finished the week nice and green. Love my trades today. I did get a little bit worse to the end of my session. Should have put this earlier here maybe, and that one as well, and the last one also. So at this point I just kind of didn't want to lose money, and you can't trade if you just don't want to lose money. Like, that doesn't work. You have to respect your risk. You have to accept your risk, or at least some risk, but you can't just expect that. Yeah. And I was also kind of like, because my ME on the day was so good, like, I didn't want it to get ruined, basically. And because I didn't want it to get ruined, I kinda pulled those trades, but it's fine. Yeah, really nothing to be said. Good day. So guys, anyways, I hope you also had a good green week, good green day, and I see you guys on Monday. Happy weekend, everyone. I will be now we're getting the break. Yep. I mean, anyways, like, happy weekend, everyone. I see you guys. Hi, El Tracy. I see you guys on Monday. I'll also be recording a new episode of my podcast today. Like, I found a guy which I kind of talked on another Discord for a couple of weeks ago. For a couple of weeks, we kind of were some sort of accountability partners. So we basically, like, screenshotted each other's P&L and stuff like this each day, and the accounts with the account name and stuff like this to basically not make stupid mistakes, which I ended up making anyways. But that's how I got to know him, and I'm gonna be recording a podcast with him later today. If you guys interested, also if any one of you is interested in, like, coming on to a podcast and just talking trading, like, obviously I'd love to have you guys on. Like, I love to talk trading, and especially with some of you guys. So if anyone is ever interested, just hit me up. Always looking for people. There are not so many people anyway, so interested in this. So yeah. With that being said, I hope you all have a nice weekend, and see you guys on Monday.